Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Acura TLX. This is the advanced super handling all-wheel drive, 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 272 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque. ELS studio sound, rated to the 10-speed automatic. Spent the night with this car and am very impressed with it so far. All right, let's see. How do I... Oh, so that changes. Okay, so then you have your leg extender, and you can say bolsters, lumbar. That's a pretty cool idea. Not a touch screen. Everything is controlled with this touchpad. Basically, you put your finger where you want to go, and that's where it goes. So, add favorite, hits one, and then this scrolls through all your different settings. Dynamic mode, you can have comfort, normal, sport. I'm going to turn that down just a little bit. You also have individual mode, so you can press and hold, and you can customize what you want the car to do. But I'm gonna just go right back into sport. That's what I've been using. So far, so good. Driven the Type S, but I don't think... Okay, driven the Type S, but I don't think I've done a video on this generation TLX before. I know I've driven the RDX, I've driven MDX, so I've driven them, but I don't think I've driven this thing yet. I drove this car before we took it in, but I will say, I'm gonna be honest, it's kind of far away to be a touchscreen. And this takes a little bit of getting used to. You do have like a place to put your hand here, and then you can kind of adjust as you see fit. But I do kind of wish that was closer and it was a touchscreen. But once you're used to this, it's pretty okay. It's usable. Paddles are rubberized, which actually, I kind of like the feel of them. So the way Acura does their all-wheel drive system, it's going to overpower the outside rear wheel to rotate the car around the corner rather than grabbing inside brakes like a lot of other cars. Benefit of that, it gives it much more of a rear-wheel drive feel. However, on loose pavement, it might produce some oversteer, which for me is pretty darn cool. Also, in manual mode, you will notice it automatically shifts to second, and then you're on your own. I will say though, most times you can just take off in second and be okay. What a great car, man. Just such a fun car to drive. And it's also extremely comfortable. Once you kind of chill out, it's pretty darn comfortable. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.